Hello everybody, and welcome to another episode of the Rugged Medicine YouTube channel. In today's episode I want to talk to you about these safety glasses. Now, safety glasses is a standard issue in a lot of frontline jobs, first responder jobs, such as the ambulance service, for example, or ED, A&E staff, emergency pre-hospital care providers. But the thing is, in my personal experience within the ambulance service, you don't see people wear these very much. They have them, they get issued them, they don't actually utilize them. And I've been wondering why that is. Now, speaking to people, it turns out that very often they say, oh no, I got my safety glasses, and then I'll just put them on when I need them. But how do you know when you're going to need them? Essentially, you don't. So then some people say, well, I put them on for trauma patients, I put them on for patients with potential for exposure to bodily fluids, but once again, we don't know that in advance. So I personally have regularly worn my safety glasses in a lot of patients where afterwards you could say, well, I didn't need those. But I felt better about it, and I think you should definitely consider wearing them, even if you think, well, but I don't look cool in them, this isn't the best look in the world, and you're right, they're not very trendy looking. But just as a test to prove that even in your work environment you should actually be wearing those, I got a little experiment you should conduct. Give these glasses a good clean, make sure they're all good to go, and then for one shift, half a shift, the first 3, 4, 5, 6 calls of your shift, put the safety glasses on as you get into patient contact, and for every single patient in those few hours, wear them. After you're done with those patients, please don't clean them in between. After you're done wearing them for those few calls, go to the bathroom somewhere else well lit, hold them up against the light, and have a look and see how much spotting, how many marks, how much splatter is actually visible on there. And that might actually highlight to you that, oh yeah, there was exposure to bodily fluids. I never thought they would have been possible with such a patient. So give it a shot. Comment below, let me know if it worked, if you tried it, how you feel about this topic, and then we can get a conversation going. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, please subscribe, and I'll see you for the next one. Bye for now.